AMPX stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Amprius Technology stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space with about 43,000 videos over 5 years, all documented, so I have seen what's printing me money and what's not. Especially with AMPX, it all came down to just having a double break, but yesterday we had like a lot of freaking shifts, and then, like, genuinely speaking, this turned out to be a very, very good pump. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. It's just that, like, a lot, you know, in trading there's two games. There's getting inside a trade game, there's managing the trade game. Both are crucial. And in this case, since it's pumping very, very nicely, I'm just looking to double down on this bullish market. So I just hope I see the price pulling down a bit and giving me a double break. Because if that's not the case and it doesn't give me that shift, then I'm not gonna buy. Like, very, very simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is waiting for rules. And AMPX has put up here. 9 results. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.